You all on my lane, you ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you need no. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a seed note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
Hey, what's going on, Bistro family, and welcome back to my channel. Now, today we got the most amazing lemon verbena tea. Now, let me give you a little bit of information about lemon verbena before we get started. Although lemon verbena is native to South America, it has largely become a globally accessible plant and herb due to its powerful medicinal effects and quality as a food additive. Its initial widespread use was as a food and flavoring additive, particularly being added to poultry and fish dishes, as well as salads, dressings, jams, and various beverages. However, the traditional uses of lemon verbena as a medicinal herb have come back into fashion, especially since the modern research has revealed the wealth of unique components that make this plant very important to human health. So to sum it up in a nutshell, this herb may boost immunity, may reduce fevers, also may relieve anxiety due to its antioxidant components, also may help with congestion. That means that drinking this tea can loosen up congestion in the respiratory tracts and help eliminate phlegm and mucus in that system. So that's a little bit about verbena and its health properties. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with our tea. So the first thing we're going to do is get some of our lemon verbena from the garden. And we're going to take 20 sprigs of this lemon verbena and pop it into a French press. Now, if you don't have a French press, you can do this in a pot. Just make sure you strain the leaves out. But I'm taking 20 leaves of the verbena fresh out of the garden and I'm popping it into a French press. And make sure you get you some hot water going, and we're going to steep this thing at about 185. So make sure that water is 185 degrees, and then we're going to go ahead and pour it over those leaves in that French press. Now remember, we got 20 leaves of lemon verbena, and the water, we're going to just fill up this French press. I think this is like a 2-cup French press, so I'm going to make 2 cups of coffee. 2 cups of coffee, 2 cups of tea. So you see me just stirring it around just to for camera purposes, just to make it look nice, because if I didn't stir it around, it was just gonna sit there. So yeah, and I'm just infusing these wonderful oils out of this verbena. Now also, if you wanted this tea to be extra strong, what you could do is you could dry the leaves, and that will give you a much stronger tea, but I'm not going to do that. I'm using the fresh leaves, and we're going to let it steep for about 8 minutes. Once 8 minutes are up, you're going to go ahead and press that down on the French press, and then go ahead and pour you a delicious glass of it. Now you can take a lime wheel or a lemon wheel and add to it, but the lemon verbena is going to give you those citrus notes, so you really don't need that. And then sweeten it to your liking. You can use agave, but I'm using honey here. And just sweeten it up to how you would like it. And at the end, I'm actually going to take and I'm going to garnish with a sprig of lemon verbena from the garden that we had left over. And there you have it, man, the most wonderful lemon verbena tea. You see, it's very light, but I'm telling you, them oils are popping. This thing is very delicious and rich, man. But yeah, there you have it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Lemon verbena tea from the Bistro. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. I'm out.